We are pleased to show you the 2019 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.